Hey, you're about to learn the safest and fastest way to clean install your AMD drivers using DDU. This removes every trace of your old drivers and then you get fresh ones that remove every single bug you've experienced. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to go to Google. Right here you can type AMD DDU, and after typing AMD DDU you will find this website, the AMD Cleanup Utility. Scroll down right here and then click here on AMD Cleanup Utility for Windows. It will actually install right above. Afterwards we need to make sure you have the latest AMD drivers for your GPU model. So head over to Google again and then type AMD drivers. Let's go and click on this site, and right here you can easily use the Windows drivers. Auto detection tool you can click right here, but I recommend that you search up your own GPU model. Right here we have graphics, and then you can find it between here. And let's say you have our Radeon RX, let's click on it. Let's say you have a 9000 series and you have the 970 XT. Let's click on it and then on submit. After doing this, you'll click on Windows 11 64-bit edition if you have Windows 11, otherwise Windows 10 is right here, Ubuntu Linux right here, and right here we have Windows 11. And I recommend you don't pick the top one, you pick the one below, because this one right here is a specific installation. This is the auto detect tool again. So right here it's 900 MB. Let's click on download right here. It will go to your downloads folder, wait until it's finished, but let's first start up AMD Cleanup Utility. Because right here we're going to be installing and removing old drivers and installing the new ones. Someone on Reddit even said DDU saved his system after a driver crash. It's highly recommended not to skip this step if you're having GPU issues. And we're mentioned in the subreddit PC maintenance guide. So if you're having crashes with the drivers, this might probably be the solution to it. First, we need to make sure you can boot into safe mode, because right here, the DDU tool can actually move a lot more AMD drivers than before. Windows actually starts up a lot of unnecessary services, and therefore we can't uninstall everything for AMD cleanly to solve all your bugs. So what you gotta do is press the Windows key and then type msconfig. Make sure to find system configuration and then click on it. Right here what we need to do is to go to boot, and then right here we have the Windows, and below here we click on save boot. Make sure it is selected on minimal and then click here on apply, and afterwards on OK. It will prompt you with this, and let's restart the system after installing the DDU and the AMD drivers. When you start up your Windows, you can actually start opening DDU, the one you have installed, which is the display driver uninstaller. And right here, you can actually cleanly install your whole system fully safely. After doing this, you can actually just restart the system again, go to the Windows key, click on restart, and then you go back to the desktop. Right here, just go to the downloads folder again, and then open the AMD installer you have downloaded for your GPU model. And right here, just follow the steps. Make sure to select clean install factory settings again if prompted. This way we remove even more if there was still some left behind. And then continue the steps on AMD, select everything with optional settings, and this way you get a complete fresh AMD driver install. This will of course install the AMD Adrenalin software again, but now you have drivers that are not buggy and are going to work. I highly recommend that when updating Windows, you don't try to update your AMD software there, because it might get buggy packages. I recommend that you always update through the Adrenalin software. This way you remove the risks of installing your latest driver versions. I want to thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if this was helpful, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.